sweetie, get it together. Dad? Kevin?
I think I saw this one. I used to love Ant with robots in it. Funny. I've kind of lost interest in movies these days.
Hey guys. So, I'm on my own in this janky old cabin, and the cupboard door's just open by itself. Honest to God, this is not a setup. I'm gonna go see what's inside the cupboard.
Okay, Dad, watch this. This is the puka.
Sorry, guys. I could have sworn this was a rat. I almost died. Where's he gone?
Holy cabbage.